What if tonight, the moon didn't look the way it's supposed to? It feels strange. It's not bright white. It's not glowing silver. It's slowly turning red, deep red, almost like the sky painted it with fire. No explosions, no sound. Just a silent transformation happening above your head. This is called the total lunar eclipse, and it is one of the most breathtaking events you can witness. Why does the moon turn red instead of disappearing? And when can you see the next one? Let's uncover the mystery. A total lunar eclipse happens when three objects line up perfectly: the sun, the earth, and the moon. The earth moves directly between the sun and the moon. Normally, sunlight reflects off the moon and makes it glow. But during a total lunar eclipse, Earth blocks that sunlight. The moon enters Earth's shadow, and that's when the magic begins. Earth's shadow isn't just a simple dark circle. It has two sections: the penumbra, the lighter outer shadow, and the umbra, the dark inner shadow. At first, the moon slowly dims as it moves into the penumbra, but then, as it fully enters the umbra, instead of going completely dark, it turns red. Here's the incredible part. Even though Earth blocks direct sunlight, some sunlight bends around Earth's atmosphere. This bending of light is called refraction. When sunlight passes through our atmosphere, blue light scatters, while red light continues through. It's the same reason sunsets look red. During a total lunar eclipse, Earth's atmosphere acts like a giant lens. All the sunrises and sunsets happening around the world at that moment project their red light onto the moon, so the moon glows red. That's why it's sometimes called the blood moon. But don't worry, it's completely safe and natural. It's just beautiful physics. Now here's what you've been waiting for. The next total lunar eclipse will happen on March 3rd, 2026. On this night, the moon will slowly move into Earth's shadow and transform into that deep red, blood moon color. The total red phase will last for nearly an hour, while the entire eclipse will last over 5 hours. This eclipse will be visible from parts of Asia, Australia, the Pacific region, and western parts of North and South America. If you miss that one, mark your calendar for August 27th to 28th, 2026 for a partial lunar eclipse. Here's the best part. You do not need special glasses. Unlike a solar eclipse, a lunar eclipse is completely safe to view with your naked eyes. To watch it, step outside during the time of totality. Find a dark area away from city lights, if possible. Bring binoculars or a small telescope for extra detail, and use a stargazing app to track the moon's position. Thousands of years ago, people didn't understand what was happening. Imagine seeing the moon suddenly darken and turn red without explanation. Many cultures believed it meant disaster, divine warnings, or signs of war. Today, we understand orbital mechanics, but the emotional impact remains powerful. Watching the moon slowly change color is unforgettable. Not every total lunar eclipse looks the same. Sometimes it's bright copper, sometimes dark crimson, sometimes almost brown. Why? It depends on Earth's atmosphere at that moment: dust, pollution, volcanic ash, and cloud cover. Every eclipse is unique. You're watching Earth paint the moon in real time. So now you know. A total lunar eclipse happens when Earth's shadow turns the moon red using nothing but sunlight and atmosphere. The next one is on March 3rd, 2026. Mark your calendar, set a reminder, and step outside. Because moments like this remind us that we are living on a moving planet in a dynamic universe. If you enjoyed exploring this cosmic mystery, like the video, subscribe, and let's discover the universe together. Until next time, keep looking up.